Professor Homer, my name is Ernie Snyder, and this is my final ArcGIS project for this class that I've actually gained a lot of interest in. So originally, when I was thinking about layers to kind of add on to this map, I was thinking sports since I play baseball here at Concordia. I was thinking more like football, baseball, basketball, and kind of all the gamblers around the US to see if there's any correlation with, say, in California it's legal to gamble, and I just wanted to see how many gamblers would still be in California if it's legal compared to an illegal state. But I couldn't really find that, so I was thinking more along something that we haven't really gone over class that much, which are the police stations, fire stations, and the police killings. So initially, when I went over this, I was just searched up police stations. I'm like, all right, awesome, cool. Found this map, labeled the police stations with these little points right here, and then fire stations. I surrounded it with heat instead of just the points because I thought that just 3 points on a map wouldn't really be that entertaining at all. And then for the police killings, well, as I was searching for the police stations, I found this super cool layer. The police killings in the U.S. from January 1st of 2000 to May 26th of 2020, so right after COVID. And I saw a pretty cool correlation. So for the police killings again, these little dots surrounding this area here show the police killings, and if you could see the little bit of blue surrounding there, those little blue specks, that's a heat map from the fire stations. And looking at this map from kind of afar, you could see that there's a lot of police killings and a lot of police stations on the east side, and not much down the middle, which, I mean, not much down the Midwest. Obviously, if you're going to go to Nebraska, there's not really that much, there's more police stations than police killings, actually. But if you're going to go somewhere heavily populated, kind of like Florida, North Carolina, Virginia, South Carolina, and even on that's the East Coast, and even more on the West Coast, like California, Oregon, and Seattle, you're gonna see more police killings than police stations. And I didn't know that. I thought that there would be more police stations than police killings, especially in that pretty short time period from January 1st of 2000 to May 26th of 2020. So that was kind of just my map idea. I thought that it was pretty cool. And then my app, again, the only thing that I tweaked about the app is the language switcher. So in case somebody who speaks Spanish or speaks French would be able to see the text that I added here, they would be able to read it just fine. And yeah, I mean, that's my map. I put a lot of effort into this, and I tweaked it out a lot, and I'm super excited with the outcome of this map. I know it looks pretty bland from out here, but this was kind of more an experimental theory for me, just to see what areas had more police stations compared to police killings, and then police killings compared to police stations, and also just adding the heat map of the fire stations in the background. I thought kind of would add a little pretty cool effect there too. And so, yeah, I mean, thank you so much for hosting this Intro to Human Geography class. And I believe I have your Geography of Sports and Outdoor Recreation class for you next semester, which I really look forward to. But, anyways, thank you for an awesome semester, Professor, and I really hope you enjoy this map. Have a good night.